Hello everyone, this is Brian and welcome to our next episode of our JavaScript course. To this episode, we're going to explain something really simple, so that complicated, and I think this video is going to be only 4 minutes, 5 minutes or something. First of all, make sure that you did all our previous steps, like download Visual Studio Code, make your files, make everything, prepare the setup. And now let's get started without further ado. Let's open our live server. I showed you yesterday how to do that and how to download this extension. Uh, this is our page. Right click, inspect. This window will appear to you. Press on this console button, and that's it. This is our topic for today, the console. What is that? We can say this is kind of easier for us. That Visual Studio Code for some things that will save some times. Uh, Easy to use, and we can say it shows you real time, uh, real time show into your code. What do you mean? Okay, for example, now if I want to teach you something, like I want you to understand something in JavaScript or something, I don't need to go to uh our Visual Studio Code. I write it here, and then I go again to our website to check it. Okay, I don't need that. Okay, simply here, what we could do is just only, for example, I can just write 300 plus 5 equals that. 400 plus 200 equals 600. It's not complicated, easy. It gives me the result immediately, a real-time result. I don't need to switch between tabs and apps in my computer or something. Another thing, which is, what if I want to experience something quickly in my website without, we can say, wasting time and stuff. I'm about to write right now. You don't need to understand it right now. You will understand the things in the future. Okay, so I'm going to write documents, write uh, H1 test. Okay, H1 here too. Okay, and then close. Okay, now we have uh this page. I mean this header file, or we can say header generally. Okay, called test. I want also to do something like documents, query selector. There you go. And then H1. Okay. And then I want to style it. Style object. Okay. Uh, color equal red. As you can see from this console, I can literally control the HTML file from only here. Okay, and style also, it's elements and everything from here. So if I liked it, for example, what I did, and I want to upload it, or because it consisted in my program or something, you just copy your code from here. Okay, like for example, let's copy that. Okay, let's go ahead to there and press it here. Okay, how about this? Okay, of course, it's gonna disappear because the object or the H1 is not existed. And here, something really important, anything you create in your JavaScript file, okay, is not actually exist in your HTML file. Okay, it's something only here. And that's beneficial. You will know in the future why and how to use this feature and stuff. Uh, so again, why did I tell you that? Why did I teach you that? For easy, save time. Just here, quickly, test what you need to test, and that's it. Actually, this is the output. This is our output. What I mean is, like, anything we write here is gonna appear there. Okay, if we will, from here until I think 50, 60, 70 episodes ahead, we will not, uh, we will not do anything in our page. Okay, all our work is going to be here in the console. Like for example, I want to print hello world. You know, hello world is so much famous. Well, console, the object console, log, console dot log, hello world. That's it. And as you can see, this is our first hello world message. It's so much famous that it exists in every language in the world, any language course. That's it. Literally, this is our episode. I just wanted to teach you that this dev tools so much easier to reach, so much easier to use, quickly. Okay, uh, it's not a big deal or something. Okay, you are preferred to use that. Use it. It's okay. Actually, all the same difference. Okay, they are same difference, but this is because they're more practical, quick. You don't have to worry about it. If you don't understand, just use that. Our lovely Visual Studio Code and stuff. There's something quickly I want to give it to you. It's like a gift, you can say. Go to this extensions button. Okay, right prettier. Okay, where is it? Yes, and set up or install this extension. Okay, once you do that and once it works, okay, go ahead and let me show you something quickly. Uh, let's write anything like console.log, uh, and then hello world. Okay, okay, but I forgot to add the semicolon in the end. Okay, it's we can say one of the syntax of the language, like grammars rule in languages. Uh, for example, let me give you just a quick example. In English, you can't say you don't. For example, to say I don't love you, right? Okay, like for example, don't say suddenly I don't love you. Okay, it's wrong. Okay, I understand, but it's wrong. Okay, and make sure that you are uh, working with literally computer. Okay, they don't understand they need it exactly as it is. Okay, they don't understand uh, if you make a small mistakes, they will not understand anything. Okay, so prettier, what prettier does is that it pretty your code. That's it, literally. It makes your code pretty and corrects some small mistakes you made. Like for example, this one. I forgot to put the semicolon at the end, so I'll just save it and it's gonna add it at the end. For example, I don't know how to write a clean code, and I just did these kind of messy things. Press Control S. Prettier will pretty your code for you. So a simple tool and actually beneficial, because if you want to learn what's the best practice to write this code or write this function or use this function, um, just yeah, make any general mistake and see how what pretty will do for you, how this extension pretty uh this code for you, and yeah, because you can learn from your mistakes by this way. Like from now onward, you will not forget the semicolon, because you know that you have to put it at the end if you forgot. Like I don't know, I didn't tell you actually last episode. You don't know, so suddenly you just pressed Control S. Oh, there is a semicolon. That's it. So much simple and easy to use. This extension, download it so we can work together easily, uh, and we don't face any problems and stuff in the code, because small mistakes will cause a lot of problems. Let me show you how quickly. Like if I just console log, I don't know, hello world again, like that. Can we go ahead here? You'll find that this line of code didn't work. Didn't work because uh, in JavaScript, the compiler starts code by code, line by line to check it. It checks line by line. Like, okay, this line, I will check it. It's line number one. The compiler will check it. Oh, it it's okay. Like I go slowly, like see, okay, console, and then must be log. Okay, but I understand there's a console like in this position, console dots and then anything. Okay, but I didn't find it, so this is an error. I don't understand. What is that? What does that mean? So it's gonna show an error. Okay, wait, stop. Check it the other or we can say stop the project, stop building the project. It doesn't work. There's a problem. Okay, here. Okay, once you solve it, once you do that and solve the problem, okay, it will all the code, anything after that will work correctly without any problem. Okay, that's even in the page. Okay, like that exists in the page too. So you have to make sure that everything goes well, everything works. Okay, that's it for today's episode. So much simple, so much easy. Hope you understand. Hope you could understand it. It's not a big deal. It's not that important, but you need it, and we can say just appetites to try to whet your appetite to keep learning. And that's it. Take care of yourself and see you in the next episode.